What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominic. If you're stepping back for the first time, welcome. In today's video, we have a client transformation video for you guys, and I cleaned the face, then I'm drawing a brows right now using the Daily brow pencil to draw a brows. Okay, but before you go to the brow area, make sure you prime the brow. I did show the process of where I applied the primer on it, but I'm sorry about that. I primed the brow before going to draw the brow line. I'm using the Daily brow pencil. I'm using shade 3 to draw the brow line. Then I use the shade 18 to fill it in. You know, the shade 18 is really light, and then the shade 3, so the shade 3 is dark while the shade 18 is light. Okay, so I'm using the darker one to just draw out the line, then before filling it in. Okay, this my model really love big brows, so that is why I make this brow tutorial to be very big. And I'm using this always concealer. Is that the name? I didn't know if I say it right, but yeah, I think I say always concealer over there, but it's ageless. Okay, that is the name of the company, ageless concealer, not the always. I'm sorry about that. So I'm using the flat brush that I got. Okay, no, this flat brush came with my set of brush. I'm sorry, my voice is really down. Okay, so I'm just using it to highlight the top part of the upper brows. I did use a foundation shade since I have not done my foundation already, so I decided to just use a concealer. In this video, the concealer appears to be very light, but it's not really light in reality. So, but on a normal note, I use a lighter concealer like this, because if you are done with your skin already and just want to draw your brows, you will not be able to draw it. You will not be able to blend it out. So since I have not done my foundation, I've not done anything in the skin, that is why I'm using this concealer. Okay, so I'm just taking my time to just light the brows very well, to just get it right. You know, brow is everything in makeup. Sometimes it come out very nice, sometimes it come out good. Okay, so I'm just taking my time to just draw to highlight the brow very well. Then after that, I'm just blending the concealer that I used to highlight the brows. I'm just using my beauty sponge to just blend the concealer out. Then before applying a foundation, you know, when you use concealer like this, make sure you blend it out before applying your foundation, or it will just turn out to do different color. So I'm using this set of brush from colorful brush. Yes, colorful brush. Okay, so I'm just using the fluffy brush to just blend to just prime my eyes before going to eyeshadow. So for the eyeshadow I'm using the GVS eyeshadow palette. I'm going to that shade over there. Okay, that silver shade. I'm not gonna explain everything in this video, but I use the GVS eyeshadow palette and the Ego eyeshadow palette with the Morphe eyeshadow palette. Okay, those are the 3 shades of eyeshadow that I use in this video. Okay. Okay, from the lashes I use is 7D lashes. Okay, then I'm priming her face right now using the shampoo primer to prime her face before going to a foundation. Okay, I'm just applying the primer in the T-zone area, then after that I'm just blending in using my hand to blend the primer into her skin. And the foundation that I use in this video is a flawless foundation. Okay, so I'm so sorry, I'm not gonna explain everything in this video. I was supposed to put the name up there for you to see, but I'm sure I didn't do that. So I'm just using the primer. I'm just still priming the face, just blending it in very well. Okay, so enjoy the rest of the video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please just go ahead and subscribe right now. Subscription is free. Okay, and like and comment, let me know what you think in the comment section. So for the foundation, I'm using the flawless foundation like I said, and I'm using the darkest shade. Okay, so and this is how it turned out to be. It's a bit dark, but I'm gonna use a lighter concealer to just brighten it up a bit. I'm using my beauty sponge to just blend it into her face.